When I was just starting out, I thought success meant picking the right job, sticking to one path, and climbing the ladder. But no one told me that careers don't always follow a straight line. One of the biggest things I wish I had heard earlier is this: it's okay to change your mind. The job you choose at 20 doesn't have to be the job you do forever. People grow, interests shift, and that's normal. Don't be afraid to explore something new just because it's not what you originally planned. Another lesson I learned the hard way is this: skills matter more than job titles. Don't chase fancy positions or big company names. Focus on building real skills: communication, problem-solving, critical thinking, and adaptability. These are what truly move your career forward. Also, ask questions. Speak up. When you're new, it's easy to feel like you have to prove yourself by knowing everything. But asking smart questions shows that you care about doing things right. It's a strength, not a weakness. I also wish someone had told me that networking is not just for extroverts or business events. It's about relationships. It's about genuinely connecting with people, listening, learning, and offering help when you can. Most opportunities don't come from job boards. They come from people. Another thing, don't wait for permission. If there's something you want to learn, don't wait for your boss or your company to teach it to you. Be proactive. Take that course. Start that side project. Read that book. Your career is your responsibility. And finally, remember this: your job is not your identity. Your worth isn't tied to your role or salary. Take care of your health, spend time with loved ones, and make space for things that bring you joy. A good career should support your life, not take it over. If I could go back in time, I'd remind myself to be patient, stay curious, and not be afraid of taking a different path. The truth is, most people are figuring it out as they go, and that's completely okay.